Antoine and I got invited to cook in the kitchen at my favorite French restaurant. So today we're gonna go inside the kitchen at the Moulin de la Galette, and he's gonna film and I'm gonna cook. But here's the thing, I cook every day and I love cooking.
For sure.
But French food is a little intimidating to me. And I don't know if I'm gonna embarrass myself with the chef. I don't know if I'm gonna make stupid mistakes so I'm looking to have the whole experience, find out what it's like, and then we're gonna eat it.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be my favorite part.
Me too. I hope it's edible.
So, are you ready to cook?
I'm ready to cook.
You ready to work with a French chef?
I'm ready to go.
On y va?
On y va.
Okay. Chef Dominique, pâtissier du Moulin de la Galette. He's going to teach Colleen how to make
At Paris Brest, so Dominique and I, he's the pastry chef,
Right.
and I get to play over here too. Here's what we have here. He's pre-measured all of the stuff, and we have eggs, butter, milk, and water.
Voilà.
Des œufs, des beurres, de l'eau, de lait.
Sel, sucre.
Ah, sel et sucre.
Voilà. On met sur le lait, le sel. Ça, c'est de la farine.
Ah, okay. We're gonna bring it to the right level of water
Voilà.
and liquid, because I definitely do not want to screw up the Paris Brest dessert at the Moulin de la Galette.
Ah, ça monte.
Oui.
Bien bouché. De la casserole.
Yeah, it's got to come off the... Kind of incorporate that.
I'll just move the metal thing. Oh, this is terrible.
Voilà.
Okay, it's a mini.
Commit. How tough was that?
I felt like I was in kindergarten
Yeah.
with grown-up scissors or something.
Yeah.
And he just does it like zip, no big whoop. There's no difference.
Here is when you've never been to pastry school. Here is when you're a professional chef.
Oh my god.
Ah ouais, on voit.
Yeah, you went to school for this, dude.
We did.
So what is this?
White chocolates, some kind of a gelatin, cream, milk, this kind of a rounded gooey nuts, kind of like Nutella without chocolate, and that's what we have.
On va tout mixer avec une girafe et on va attendre 12 heures au frigo.
Well, I hope he has some from 12 hours ago that we're gonna eat tonight, because I want to eat it.
On va obtenir ces crèmes, chocolat blanc, gélatine et puis c'est tout. Et voilà.
My turn. That'll do, Pete. I did this one, and I did this one.
Allez-y.
Your hand flat.
Attention dehors.
I made it flat and flat.
Ah, super.
surprisingly light. It is fluffy. It tastes almost like a cappuccino, cream puff mixed with a croissant fluffy.
You're making me hungry now. We're gonna turn this around and I gotta try it. Oh, this is good. I love Paris Brest. It's one of my favorite desserts.
Merci bien. Très fort. That means like so cool, so good, so something. I don't know. Awesome. Merci.
De rien.
So Colleen, how was it?
That was amazing. It was so much fun.
Did you get yelled at?
I did not get yelled at. Nothing that you told me about your days with Gordon Ramsay were true. Even when I screwed up, I didn't get yelled at.
All right, so that does it for today. Please make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. Please check out our videos on the best street food and desserts in Paris. And until next time,
Bon appétit and au revoir.
au revoir.